Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create animated subtitles in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Drag your footage and audio onto the timeline. First, make sure all the footage is selected. You can either drag over all of it or press Ctrl+A to select all. Then come up to the text panel. Once in the text panel, come over to Transcript. In the text panel, you'll see different speakers and what they say, along with corresponding time codes. You can change words in here by double-clicking and then just typing the words you want to change it to. Just make sure you transcribe the sequence whenever you're ready. Then, making sure the clips are all still selected, come up to this little CC button, which, as you can see, is Create Captions. Click on this, then twirl down the preferences. If you have a style, you can click here and select that. I like to keep maximum length of characters to 20, minimum duration to 1.2, and lines is up to you, but I like to do single. Click Create Captions, and within seconds, we have all of our captions here. Now, just like before, if we come to a certain part, we can double-click it and change certain words how we would like if there are errors, or if we just want to change something. Now, these subtitles just kind of sit there. Select all of the subtitles, then you will see this Essential Graphics panel here on the right side. The track style is where you can create a style. We will change the text to a font that we like. I'm going to change the size and then make sure you center the text. I'm also just going to make it all caps. Fill will keep white. We'll add a stroke, make that black. You may adjust the settings according to your preferences. Now they look like this, but we want to animate these. We want them to be moving. Let's go up to Graphics and Titles and then select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. As you can see, these subtitles have turned from subtitles on the subtitle layer to subtitles that are text layers, which are also editable. We can come to the beginning here, come up to Effect Controls. I'm going to go 5 keyframes forward using my right arrow key, set a keyframe with the scale, the little stopwatch here, come back few keyframes, set another one, and set one at the start. I'm going to set the first keyframe to 95, the middle one to 105, and the last one to 100. As you can see, we have a little pop. I'm also going to select all these keyframes, select ease in and ease out by right-clicking on them. This makes it a little smoother. Now, as you can see, the animation is only on this text, but we still have all these other layers that are not the same. Don't worry, it's very easy. We just need to come up to Effect Controls on this first layer that we did the animation on, select Vector Motion, and then do Ctrl+C to copy that. Then select all of your subtitles and then do Ctrl+V. Now we have the animation on all of the subtitles. So pretty easy. This is the most efficient way that I've found to create animated subtitles within Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this helped you out and you want to see more videos like this. I hope this helped, and as always, thanks for watching.